So today we will understand the topic cell. What is cell? The basic structural and functional unit of life. Structural means cell makes body structure, that's why they are called structural, and functional means each group of cell perform a specific function. In 1665 Robert Hooke discovered cell. So this is the block diagram of cell. Here ribosome, nucleus part DNA, nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi complex, cell membrane, centromere, and food vacuoles. These are the cell organelles of the cells. Each cell organelles have a specific functions for the cell. This is a diagram, and first we will have to understand the cell type. Cell is basically two types: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell does not have well-defined nucleus, and eukaryotic cell have well-defined nucleus. Well-defined nucleus means in eukaryotic cells nuclear membrane present which envelop the chromatins, DNA and nucleoproteins. But in case of prokaryotic cell, chromatins or genetic material float in the cytoplasm. Example of prokaryotic cell is bacterial cell, and example of eukaryotic cell is plant and animal cell. Cell theory proposed by the Malthus, Skeleton and Theodor Schwann in 1839, and he said that all the organism made up of cell. Each and every organism is made up of cell. Cell are smallest working unit in living things. In living things, cell is the basic structural unit that is present. All cells come from pre-existing cells through cell division. Means all the pre-existing cells which is responsible for the generation of the new cell by the process of the cell division. Cell division is basically of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis cell division takes place in somatic cells, and meiosis cell division takes place in the germ cells. Germ cells means reproductive cells, and all the other cells except reproductive cells are called the somatic cells. This is a diagram of eukaryotic cells. This type of diagram present in the animal and plant. In animal surrounded by the nuclear membrane, and in plant it is surrounded by the cell wall. That is the basic difference between the plant and animal cell. Figure of prokaryotic cell. This is a prokaryotic cell. In this genetic material, that is DNA, which is float in the cytoplasm. Now we will understand the cell organelles. First, cell membrane. It consists of bilipid layer membrane, just like a sandwich. Second, cytoplasm, thick gel-like semi-transparent fluid. This is a jelly-like fluid that is present in the cell medium of cell organelles. Third is mitochondria. Mitochondria is first discovered by the Kolliker in 1850. And mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell because it provides energy to the cell. Fourth, endoplasmic reticulum, network of tubular and flat vesicular. This is a endoplasmic reticulum, and it is of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes present. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. Fifth, lysosome. Lysosomes are spherical shaped molecule 250 to 750 nanometer in diameter, and it have a irregular structure. 6. Nucleus. Nucleus contains chromatin, nuclear proteins and DNA. And it have a several further parts, that is nuclear membrane, thin layer structure surround nucleoplasm, in which genetic material present. Second is nucleoplasm, fluid mediums for nuclear proteins and chromatins. Nuclear protein and chromatin float in the fluid medium of nucleoplasm. Third is DNA. Chromatin contains DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. 7. Golgi complex. Golgi complex is basically prepare protein, and it is discovered by the Golgi. 8. Lysosome. Lysosome called the societal bag. Functions of the cell. Cell provide structural support and it also provide growth. It also provide energy production.